Okay, so tonight we're going to have a bonfire. This is some of the stuff that we're going to burn. I'll take that up to the bonfire site. Lucky we've got a big field. Okay, well, got most of the cardboard up here. We've got some more wood to get, but that's kind of the gist of it. I mean, it should burn quite nicely. It's all dry, be hot and fast. Oh, it's really cold out here. Must be about 1 degree at the moment. So, yeah, let's get this sucker lighted. Well, I am going to go get some more wood actually, and then instead of getting the sucker lighted, we're going to light that sucker and get that sucker lit. Bit more wood added. Let's get this sucker lit. Yep, we got a fire going. Do you want to see? Let's see if I can move me and Rosie around. Which way are we going?
Hey.
That sucker's been lit.
It's really nice out here tonight, isn't it?
Yeah, it's great.
Can you, I don't know if they can hear, but in the background you can hear the boys playing in the dark. It's lovely.
Yeah, the boys are playing on the football pitch.
I can't see them if I look at the fire. Oh no, they're reflected now. I can see them now.
Now that's a bonfire.
I don't know if it will last half an hour, Dave.
No, I don't. I've got another crate I can put on it.
Yeah. Stay back from the fire, Oliver.